Hi kids, welcome back to the class. I'm Bhuvanashri and today we shall be talking about rising steps of computer. Before computer invention, there were other devices that was used for calculating and we learning about those devices today. Abacus was one such calculating device invented by Chinese. It was used for simple calculation like addition and subtraction. Pascaline was invented by French mathematician. It was the first calculating machine which was only for addition and subtraction, while Napier bones was invented by Napier John and it was for multiplication and division. Punch cards were invented during 18th century and it was used for only storing information through holes. Mark-I was invented by Howard Aiken and Grace Hopper. It was of very big size. ENIAC was faster than the rest of the calculating devices. After the invention of this only the computer started rapidly changing. Let's study about computer generations. There are 5 generations the computer has evolved in. Each generation there were different changes in the system. In the first generations they were built in vacuum tube. ENIAC was the first generation device itself. Characteristics of those first generation computer are they were using vacuum tubes and they were using magnetic drums, and the machine languages and symbols were used as instructions. They were huge in size but their mobility was very poor. The consumption of energy was really high. Second generation's computer were using transistor instead of this vacuum tubes. They were better and they were really of apparent small size, speed and cheaper cost. Characteristics include they used transistor, they were faster and more reliable, and they generated more heat and less. Also they still relied on punch card. They were very costly. Next is the third generation computers. They were more like an integrated circuit. They used parallel processing. They used motherboards. They were smaller, cheaper and faster. Third generation computer gave birth to microprocessor, and this generation instrument is like a diverse in these devices. Characteristics where they use CPU and they were smaller and they were on in the form of desktops or laptops or some palm tops. They use the mouse, they use networking, were cheap to use. Now let's learn about the fifth generation. Fifth generation they were built with advanced technology than the previous generation. Then it had some revolutionary ideas in it. They were small and portable, they were really faster, they had big storage, they made networking easy, multimedia and other features were added. That's it for today's class, students. Thank you.